Hi, hello, welcome. And today I want to explain about my FRT video uploading, future ready video uploading. And this video is that. And first, I want to uh, open my GitHub. I have a GitHub uh, repository name called To Do List. My application is To Do List application. By what is to do list means, when we are using a number of work pressure, when we are in a work pressure means that work in that work pressure we can solve we can solve our works. Okay, we want to solve our works, so otherwise we getting more pressure. By using the to do list application we can decrease our work pressure, means after completing that, and we put it as a mark as complete, and we can satisfy it is completed, then we move into the next work. Okay, like that. My project about like that. And I want to open my code space, because I was using code space here. Why? Because have Visual Studio is there in my laptop, but I want to use code space to run betterly. Okay, create a code space here, and opening it's opening our code space. I deployed in the Azure by using a web app services, but I want to explain about project, and I want to show how I deployed into the Azure. Okay, but I'm not showing how to deploy, but I deployed some of the description is there to in my Azure portal. Then I want to explain that. Okay, first of all, it opening. Okay, to do list application. Okay, no problem. I'm going to doing this. Okay, it asking for install Python extensions. Okay, it installing. It asking to commits. Okay, lot of commits are there, but I don't want to commit this. Okay, installing Python extension. Next, I want to run this website in local. First of all, I want to explain about the framework which I use. By to develop the to-do list, I use this Django framework. Django framework is I use it Django framework. Why I use Django framework means it is easy to use, easy to develop by web applications. If we want to add artificial intelligence and machine learning, it is the best framework. Okay. In the Django framework, mainly 3 points are there which I want to discuss. First is the project level, and next is the application level, and third one is the presentation logic. Okay, which I want to explain about three. More than three is a very lengthy video, and it is very okay. First of all, I want to explain about the project level. To create a project level in our local means in a Visual Studio tool like Visual Studio or Python, anything tool is used, but I use it here is a GitHub code space. To create a project level, Django admin create project and project name. Here's project name. Okay, by doing this we create our project name. Okay, project, sorry. And if you want to create application level, this is a project level. Okay, this is application level. Okay, this is application level. To do app is application level. It is a sorry, this is okay, just wait. This templates is there, and this is the application, this is the presentation level, sorry, this is a project level, this is a application level. Where is the presentation level is it is a templates is the presentation level. Okay, understood, I hope. Okay, okay, this Django admin admin create project name. By doing this, we create a project level. Okay, after that we go to the project level, and we have a manage.py here. Like, okay, after running the first command, we get a manage.py. After that, we go into that file by folder by clicking cd and folder name. We get a python space manage.py run server. And after this our manage.py is running. But before that, we want to create an application level. Okay, not only project level can give as a full website. Okay, application level is also can give, or gives as a full website. Okay, by doing this command like python space manage.py and start app and application name, app name, which anything it can give. Okay, app name in the place of app name. Okay, after doing this, we create an application level. Application level is application level to do's. It is application level. It is a project level, and templates is a presentation level. Okay, I hope you understand. After this, and we can run our manage.py run server, and it creates a local server is there. Okay, it is asking for open in browser. Okay, here I not applied any migrations. Okay, that's why it's showing some of the error. Not is the error. It is a work properly not working properly, showing like that. And it gives as a error. Okay, it's showing like error. Why? Because in the localhost I'm not added the localhost here. Okay, and then I want to add the localhost in the test setting.py. In the setting.py, go for the okay. I used this this website name only for allowed host. Okay, then I want to add this localhost. Then it creates a localhost as a allowed host. Okay, I want to open in a browser. To-do list app, make work easier. This is to-do list app, application already running, and start I'm asking to start working. Okay, and add, sorry, not asking for them, add. Okay, it says RF tokens. Okay, it's showing error here, but in the Visual Studio it not. Okay, why? Because I'm not used this CSRF verification in the code space. Okay, it is not possible also. To do app is there. Okay, I want to work locally. Okay, I want to run locally here. It is loading. Okay, python space it is adding. Okay, python space manage.py and run server, and it creates a server here. Okay, it creating server. It is asking for the migration. Migrate. You want to push that. Okay, pushing to the SQL database. It is for that only, but I not done yet. That's why it's showing some error. Okay, I run this into 127. It is allowed host. I not user host here. Okay, to do local host 8000. Okay, it creates local host. I want want to stop this. Some of the errors are there, but first I want to clarify that this is my application running. Okay, then I want to check is that allowed host is correct or not. I want to check that. Oh, this is allowed host is not correct, and then I want to host, and I want to migrate all these things, then it work properly. Python space manage.py, sorry, make migrations. This command is used to migrate all code into our SQL. Okay, no changes are detected, and I want to migrate next command is migrate. Then it creates migrations. Okay, length okay, it all fine. And I want to run this server. This is Azure portal. Okay, I want to run like localhost into 8000, and to do is there, and work. Okay, it's showing like that. Okay, it is working here. Okay, this is my website. Okay, then in the GitHub I want to do some migrations like this. Python manage.py make migrations sorry, spelling incorrect. Migrations. Okay, enter. It's migrated, and Python space migrate, and it create. Okay, all okay. Then I want to run server this. Okay, creating one of the server and open browser. Before that I want to close this server because I confused when we confuse that we are unable to do any work. Okay, first of all do work of temporarily unavailable. It is a error when your GitHub is not working properly. Okay, then you want to run again. You want to close and run again and ask for the open browser. Okay, it is Nginx problem. It's not our problem, it is Nginx problem, in the codespace problem only. Okay, it's running in the locally, but when you are going to codespace, it's not working. But I want to choose this Azure to-do list, Azure Cloud. I named it, my website named it like that, and in the port I pushed it into the GitHub, and next I will push it into the Azure Cloud by using resources like web app services. Web app services is like this. I want to show. Okay, create a web app, and it shows some of the features in our website. Okay, this is Azure for students. It's my student account, and if you want to create any resource group separately, hit create new, and otherwise we can use existing resource group, and hit enter here web app name. It is a name of your web app, means domain name, any domain name, any name we want to implement to our web application, we can. Okay, it is a runtime stack, which is my runtime stack is 3.11, and region is anything your region, and plan, and review and create. Hit review and create. It can create. And before that, if you want to deploy our web application, we can go to the deployment tag and hit deployment tab, and this is my account. Then I create it asks for like this, which organization, which repository, which branch, and review and create. It creates automatically web application. After review and hit review and create, and in the GitHub we shows in actions. After go to the actions, we can see like this. Okay, it add or update Azure App Services like this. When you click that, and it shows like build and deploy, building and deployment models. it's not further. Okay, I hope this is understood. And I want to go to this to-do list Azure Cloud. I starting this my web application, and this is Azure Cloud .website.net. This is my domain, and this is my app services. I am using operating system like Linux. Okay, my GitHub project link is like this. Okay, it is my GitHub project link. Okay, when I hit browse, it shows like that. When I hit browse only. Okay, I am using. Okay, before that I want to explain about my domains and hosting. App services plan, and the name is to-do list, and inbound and outbound IP addresses there, and additional IP addresses and virtual IP addresses there. When we are creating a application, means not easy. It creates some of the IP addresses and bonds. I am not using any health checks and deployment provided by GitHub Actions. GitHub Actions, by using GitHub Actions we can deploy. Okay. Before that I want to, it's not reloading, it took some time to reload. Okay. Before that I want to, that time I want to explain about the log stream. Okay, log stream, it is it shows how our website are reacting to the server. Okay, it shows that. Okay, you are now connected to the log stream services, and every second it is updated. When a user is interacted with your web application, it updates every time. It like a server. Okay. Log streams means how our number of things is there, and I want to. Okay, it's log stream. For log stream, successfully started web application, but is not starting. I want to close this and I want to run again, and by running this, my network is slow, that's why it's not showing. It's showing. Okay, it's loading. My website domain is there, visible. Then if any error occurred, then it immediately reflects here. Any successful is there, and immediately it reflects. No problem with Azure. It is a very good cloud platform, very easy to use and easy to implement our projects. Very simple, in simple way. When we are working in a like a full stack developer, and when we are working in some of the major domains, it is very easy. Like AML is very easy, and it's good, very good cloud. Showing some. My network is very slow, that's why it's great. Okay, like this. Okay, it showed this work. It's CSRF verification error. I used this. Why I got this error means I not migrated this all things. I not migrated this, and I not committed this, because that's why it's showing error. After committing this, we solve that error easily. Okay, and this is my project, and thanks for watching this